morning, St. Mary's. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Elfie. And in student life news, attention students, the Shea Cafe is open for breakfast, break, and after school. Stop by for a snack.
And attention freshmen, today is your first of three executive function workshops during independent study time. Mr. Vaughn students will meet in the library, Ms. McConnell students will meet in the auditorium, and Ms. Panlilio students will meet in the President's Conference Room here in St. Joseph's Hall.
These next two messages are for the juniors and seniors. You are invited to participate in the upcoming Fall Junior Retreat and Senior Retreat. The deadline is approaching, so check your SM Panthers email for more information and a link to sign up. All are welcome. See Mr. Alvarez or Mr. Marks with questions.
Also for the upper division, applications for CSF, California Scholarship Federation, an honor society that welcomes students who earn high grades each trimester to apply, are now available on PowerSchool for students to fill out from their spring 2023 grades. Please fill out the application, supply a screenshot of your spring 2023 grades, and submit the form and your grades to Ms. McManus by Friday, September 8th. If you have any questions, please see Ms. McManus in Frady's 311.
And now, over to Tiger with your Panther Athletics.
It's a volleyball triple header today here on Hagler Court as the Panthers host El Cerrito. Frosh off at 4:30, JV at 5:30, and then the varsity match starts at 7. Come check out the new court and cheer on the Panthers. That's it for sports, and now back to Dylan and Elfie for today's birthdays.
Thanks, Tiger. And a very happy birthday today to Emmett Bates,
Alexandra Sinha,
and Jocelyn Zavala.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Panthers. Happy birthday to you.
and it's pizza day over in the Shea Cafe and breakfast for lunch with Belgian waffle, with buttermilk fried chicken, with maple syrup, with creamy grits. And just a reminder, block days now have 5-minute periods, making the classes 75 minutes long.
That's it for today. Tomorrow is a 9 a.m. start with fourth period, the first class of the day.
Have a great day, St. Mary's.